What's up, everybody? I am back to do my second part of this PC review. This time I'm going to be showing you guys the actual PC that I have next to me, which is this one. I said it is the number one best under 1,000 PC that's pre-built you can possibly buy on here, at least that I've ever seen. I mean, look, there's another $999 one right here. I might check it out, might tell you guys what happens, but for now, this is my number one, so I'm going to review it. Let's get into it. So here it is. I have all the RGBs off to keep it a surprise. I will mention that my RAM will be different, so I'm going to have it off just so you guys can kind of see it. The other RAM didn't have RGBs, so it would be as close as I can get. Just imagine that our RAM system being red instead of the Vengeance Pro RGB from Corsair. So first of all, I'm going to turn on these things, and immediately you're going to see, when I said last video I hate the fans, I'm going to explain why immediately. Alright, here we go. As you see, turned off my RAM to avoid confusion. Alright, if you cannot tell with these RGB fans, I don't know if it's possible to tell in the video because it just bright. I can see it in person. I'm telling you, it is not a smooth transitioning fan. Like, these waves of color are not flowing smoothly. To me, they look very staggered, as if they're teleporting around, just kind of deal, you know. And there's 3 of these. There are 120s. I don't know exactly the exact model of them. There is one fan though, thankfully, in the back that saves the day. It does have Cooler Master, same thing, but it is a light up fan. Like, the fan actually lights up, which I really love. It saved it for me in terms of the fan. Another thing I did not like about it was the red and yellow ketchup and mustard cables. I hate the look of them. They just are not nice. Like, they could have at least tried to close them up a little bit more, but maybe just painted them black so they blend in a little bit better. I personally will be changing them out. I can make a tutorial on that if you guys would like to see that. But I don't know. For now, that is that. One of my other complaints was that this case, very, very little airflow into it from the front. These 2 fans, tempered glass right on front, not really getting much. Up top, there is a small gap, as you can see, but that is barely pulling in any air. If I feel in here, I do feel it pulling, but not much. But on the case, you can see there's a mesh on top. Easily take it off. You can clean this off whenever you need. Lets it breathe a little bit better if you take it off. Put it back on. Over here, just a power button, 2 aux ports, 2 USB 3.0s. On the back, we got the 2 antennas that it comes with for the Wi-Fi card, which it comes with a pre-built one in. 2 USB ports right here, so that brings up to 4. We got an HDMI port, I'm sorry. 2 more USB, putting up to 6. Another USB, putting us up to 7. And then it looks like a USB, I don't know what that's called, the cable's called. It will come back to me later. I think it's a 3.0. I don't know. Forgive me. And then over here we have the Ethernet port and audio. And then down here, finally, we have another HDMI and 3 display ports. So it's 3 display ports, 2 HDMI. It's pretty good, in my opinion. And that's basically all I can show you from it, unless if I take off the panel and start taking things apart, which we're not doing. Definitely, I recommend. I don't know how you guys are. If you guys don't like RGBs, then no, I don't recommend this. But I personally love the look of RGBs, and I will show you guys how it looks like when I turn on these. Bam. And there we go. You see, now it looks a whole lot more live in there. Everything's more vivid in there. I love the feeling of it, of having those extra RGBs. I am going to get me some LL120s down there, and I will be definitely showing that after, to show the true capability of what this PC can become. When I did the value of all the parts, it came out to about $1,200, and they're selling it for $1,000. I would say buy this now while you can, while it's on sale. Maybe you can wait till Black Friday a little bit more. Uh, that's about the best you can probably go, but I recommend getting this 100%. Other than that, please leave in the comments what you think I should review next, which PCs you guys are curious about, and I will definitely look into them 100%. I will help you guys out. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more PC reviews, in case you're interested in buying one, you don't know which one yet. I will be doing a whole lot more. I'll probably do best PCs under 1,000, probably best PCs under 2,000, 1,500, maybe even $700. We will see, but till then, take care and adios.